Right, open the gate, Jack. Don't kick it, Daniel.
Jack, shut the door.
No, go in, Daniel.
Okay, can
Can we what?
can we feed them?
Hmm?
Can we feed the chickens?
Yeah. Right, here.
Yeah.
Look, one's coming over. Yeah, look. Right, chuck it over there. Chuck it, look. Where did it go? Pick it up. Pick it up.
Why?
Because they didn't see it.
Oh.
Right, chuck it. Quick, oh, he's eating it. The other ones didn't see.
What say?
The other one.
Where's the slug?
Yeah.
The white one and the brown one.
Are they?
They went into the
What?
other bit. It's pretty funny.
Right, let's try them on a worm.
Okay, can I?
Oh, look, here comes one. Right, get the worm out. Yeah, get the worm out. Get the big worm out. I'll get the worm out, shall I?
Yeah. See if they have the right.
Right, you ready? Here we go. They didn't see it. Go. What? Here, look. Oh, look. Here, Jack. Look. Oh. Oh, he got a bit. Right, and they've all gone. There was one over there. I don't know if they saw it. Is it still there? It landed down here somewhere.
One might have ducked.
One down the way?
Might have ducked down. Might have ducked down, maybe.
Might have done, yeah. See if you can pick one up. Yeah, go on, try and pick him up.
Oh, Daddy! He didn't have one now.
You see?
Yeah.
Right, shut the lids. He's trying to lay an egg.
Daniel, shut it. That's what I said.
Go on, try and pick one up, Jack.
This one, definitely. Hey, can you try and pick him up for me?
Yeah.
Can you get the rest and...
Stand, walk backwards a bit, because I can't see you all. Right, is that your favourite chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go and ask Daniel if he wants to stroke it.
Daniel, it wants to get down.
Is it?
Oh, it's the brown one. The brown one's doing a lay one.
Is it?
Yeah. It's making a noise to start a lay one. Yes, yes. Daniel, no.
Don't lift the lid up, Daniel.
No. Just come right here. Yeah, on the way over there.
If we go and have a look inside, see what it's doing. Perhaps I'll open the door. Oh look, there's two of them in there.
They're running down.
Yeah, I think they're both going to lay an egg.
Yeah.
That one's got its tail in the air, that's normally a bit of an egg laying sign, I think. Oh, and the other one's got its tail up. So we better leave them to it. Right, oh, Daniel's just putting a chicken in. Daniel just collected that one. Oh, there goes the door. Oh, chickens don't know whether they're coming or going. Right, let's leave them in there now. This one wants to come out. Go and open the door, Daniel.
He can get out.
We'll just lift him out then.
But he doesn't want to be.
Yeah, he does. Go on, get him.
Ugh, I can't get him.
Yeah, I'll get him. Right, come on, out. Go on, lift him up now. Oh, there he goes. He's out. Right, shut the door.
See, can fly. It's like the seed to fly.
Is he?
Yeah.
What?
Two in there, one in there, one in there.
Yeah. Right, we'll leave him alone now. Then we'll go now. Because they're not, well, what's the matter? Alright, we'll wait.